आज हम रेणु और दिनकर सदन के शुभ संध्या। आज हम रेणु और दिनकर सदन के नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे आप सभी का इस भव्य सभागार में हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करते हैं। हम सभी स्वयं को सौभाग्यशाली मानते हैं कि हम कथाकार श्री फणीश्वर नाथ रेणु और राष्ट्रकवि श्री रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी के नाम वाले सदन में रहते हैं। हमने उनको देखा नहीं, जाना भी नहीं, पर जानने के इच्छुक हैं। हम अपने नन्हे नन्हे कदमों से आगे बढ़ते हुए उनके आदर्शों को अपनाकर सफल होना चाहते हैं। आइए अब कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं। दीप प्रज्वलन से मैं सादर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा सचिव महोदय, संयुक्त निर्देशक महोदय, ट्रस्टी श्री राजेश सर, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, उप प्रधानाचार्य रीता मैम, प्रशासिका प्रीति मैम एवं PRO राहुल सर, अर्चना मैम एवं इंद्रानी मैम।
राजेश जी, यू प्लीज कम। पल्लवी जी और मैडम आप भी प्लीज कम ऑन दिस स्टेज। आप लोग कात्यायन, गोपाल जी Thank you all honorables. Anchor.
हमारा बिहार भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी भाग के मध्य में स्थित एक प्रसिद्ध ऐतिहासिक राज्य है और इसकी राजधानी पटना है। यह जनसंख्या की दृष्टि से भारत का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा प्रदेश है, जबकि क्षेत्रफल की दृष्टि से 12वां है। चलिए अब हम रेणु और दिनकर सदन के बच्चों द्वारा प्रस्तुत एक नृत्य का आनंद लेते हैं, जिसके गाने का बोल है अपन बिहार।
सब संसार ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार। इहे जन्म ली सीता मैया, इहे जन्म ली सीता मैया, वाल्मीकि जस वेद रचैया, कर्ण महान एही धरती के जाने सब संसार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार, ऐसन आपन हा बिहार। चाणक्य बुद्ध के ई माटी अति पावन है। महावीर आराज कमल के हाथ सजल ई सावन है, हाथ सजल ई सावन है।
कन्हवा पे हदवा लेके, कन्हवा पे हदवा लेके चल ले की सनवा। गेहूँगा के बलिया जे देखी के, आगे गेहूँगा के बलिया जे देखी के नाच मोरा मानवा। गेहूँगा के बलिया जे देखी के नाच मोरा मानवा। गेहूँगा के बलिया जे देखी के।
आपन है बिहार, ऐसन आपन है बिहार, ऐसन आपन है बिहार, ऐसन आपन है बिहार।
Wow, what a wonderful dance it was. With the arrival of summer, we have started drinking lots of water, just like us plants and trees also require adequate amount of water. This is our responsibility to fulfill their requirement. Our next program is Watering Rhyme. Will tell us how to take care of our plants and trees and their correct watering time. So let's learn and enjoy. Thank you.
जैसा कि हम सब देख रहे हैं, गर्मियों के दिन आ चुके हैं। हमारे पेड़ पौधे पानी की कमी से परेशान हो रहे हैं। ऐसे में हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है कि हम अपने वनस्पति जगत को जल से परिपूर्ण रखें। अगली प्रस्तुति वाटरिंग राइम हमें पौधों की सिंचाई के बारे में मनोरंजक जानकारी देगी। आइए सीखें और आनंद लें।
Morning or the evening God, early in the morning or the evening God, are the times to water every kind of flower. Are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noon is when the sun is high. Watering at noon is when the sun is high. सुंदर गीत था। अब आपके सामने अनुज मेहता एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है शिक्षक।
नमस्कार, मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक शिक्षक है। जीवन में जो राह दिखाए, सही तरह चलना सिखाए, माता पिता से पहले आता, जीवन में सदा आदर पाता, सबकी मान प्रतिष्ठा जिससे, सीखी कर्तव्य निष्ठा जिससे, कभी रहा न दूर में जिससे, वह मेरा पथ प्रदर्शक है जो मेरे मन को भाता है, वह मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता है। कभी है शांत, कभी है धीर, स्वभाव में सदा गंभीर, मन में दबी रहे ये इच्छा, काश मैं उस जैसा बन पाता जो मेरा शिक्षक कहलाता। धन्यवाद।
झरने की गति हम सबको लुभाती है। झरना हमें सिखाता है कि हमें सदैव आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। अगला गीत हमें झरने की सुंदरता से पुनः एक बार परिचित कराएगा। चलिए इस झरने के गीत के साथ बह चले। सदैव आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। अगला गीत हमें झरने की सुंदरता से पुनः एक बार परिचित कराएगा। चलिए इस झरने के गीत के साथ बह चले।
What a wonderful poem it was. Choices are powerful because they can rewrite our destiny. One right choice can change our future. So now I would like to invite some of my friends for a drama with the title Choices.
Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Today we are going to discuss the importance of making good and right choice. Can anyone tell me what it means to make a good choice? Yes, Nisank.
Making a good choice means doing something that is right and responsible even when it's not easy.
Exactly. Now let's see how making good choice play in different situations.
It's the playtime.
Hey, what are you doing?
What happened, Aryan? We are just playing.
Why did you throw your ball toward us?
What did you think of yourself? Do you want to fight?
It was just by mistake, brother. Yes, sir. Hey, friends, why are you fighting? Stop that, please.
No, we will not stop. What are you going to do about it?
We are going to tell our teacher.
Fine, go. If you want to, we will not stop the fight.
Faisal, let's go to tell our teacher.
Let's have a look to the at the cafeteria.
Chetan, today I am not feeling hungry.
Asutosh, why did you take so much food in period then?
Even if you are not hungry, you will have to finish your food.
You know, friends, we should not talk while eating food. Let's finish our food first.
Bhaiya, please give me some more vegetable.
No, you first finish this much.
Bhaiya, please give me some more rice.
No, I have seen you wasting foods many times. You first finish this much.
Don't waste food.
Okay, Bhaiya, I will not waste the food.
Bhaiya, give me some more dal.
Okay, but don't waste it. I will keep my eyes on you.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Please fill my glass with water. Hey, let's go.
What happened?
I have spilled water here.
So what? So what? Bhaiya will clean it. Let's go.
No, I have dropped the glass, so I should clean this.
Yes, let's go and watch TV.
Let's study in the library.
Excuse me, stand up. Can I see what you are writing? It seems like you are sharing the answers of the upcoming test.
Sorry, sir.
Cheating is not a good choice, you know.
Yes, we should never cheat in exam.
Very good, children.
Let's go back to the classroom.
As we are seen in this example, making good choice is not always easy, but it is important of our own integrity and well-being to others.
I have learned that small decisions like cleaning up a mess or standing up to bullies can make a big difference.
Exactly. Each choice we make shapes who we are, the world around us. So let's remember to choose wisely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It was a great performance by my friends. Now I would like to invite on stage the group which is going to perform a dance on the song Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo, which is a wonderful blend of grace and energy.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है,
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। शरारे हैं पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं।
जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है। है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी
Varnamala Geetam participant, come on stage. सीखने के क्रम में हम सबने सबसे पहले वर्णमाला सीखी थी, याद है ना? वर्णमाला को केवल रटकर नहीं बल्कि सुंदर सुरों से सजाकर भी याद किया जा सकता है। यह बात मैंने अपने मित्रों से ही सीखी है। आज यही बात मैं आपको भी बतलाना चाहता हूँ। संस्कृत भाषा में रचा गया यह सुंदर सा वर्णमाला गीतम निश्चित ही आप सभी के मन को मोह लेगा।
A song which became the anthem of the civil rights movements of 1950s and 1960s. A song which offered courage, comfort and hope as protesters confronted prejudice and hate in the battle for equal rights for African Americans. Soon the song spread far and wide, bringing hope in the life of people. So let's enjoy the melodious song, We Shall Overcome by our friends.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in
है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार, चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के, फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के, सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार, आसमान से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार। चिल्लर तो नोट बना के, मेहंदी रात पे खुल के लुटा, चिंगारियों को विस्फोट बना के, अय्याशी के तू रॉकेट छुड़ा, कैसा डर तू कर गुजर ये काम शानदार, ओ आसमान से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार। ये शाम शानदार,
Now, I would like to request Honorable Principal Sir to come up on the stage and shower some words of blessing for us.
Very good evening to everyone. Really very auspicious day for us, that we feel honored with the presence of Honorable Secretary cum Manager of Vidya Vihar Residential School, who dreamed for the establishment of this huge institution for the service of the community. Honorable Trustee of the Management, Mrs. and Mr. Rajesh Chandra Misra, Mrs. and Mr. Brajesh Chandra Misra, respected Joint Director, administrators, vice principals, worthy colleagues, and my dear students. Dinkar and Nehru housemates presented a very wonderful evening for us. The strength of these two houses are hardly 130. But I was counting, it was difficult for me. More than 100 students of these two houses participated in this culture program. Great achievement. I was just calculated some of the points. One group song near about 26 students. One drama near about 19 students. And it is really tough time for these guys, that in spite of their regular routine, not a single day, they came to me to give me off from the morning PT, afternoon self-study. Today also in the 6th period, they have taken Hindi essay writing competition. Neither the house mistress, any request to me that give me some time for the preparation of the house day program. They utilize the 2 days holidays, one on 16th, one on 17th. This is the utilization of leisure. Dear students, what is the importance of culture program in any school? It is non-academic pursuits. It develops confidence. It develops to work together. It develops self-esteem. It develops to overcome the fear of stage. If you see the faces of these children, hardly 9 to 10 years old, I was remembering my old school days. The song "We Shall Overcome" is my favorite song. It was 1978 when I participated in the group song at my own school. And people used to go to get rid of some tension by entering into the laughter channel. But these guys, only within 45 minutes, the tension which we inculcating in our day-to-day activities, the daily routine which is so tight enough, but the participation in such activities, we help to get rid of such type of tension also. Heartiest congratulations to each and every housemate of Renu and Dinkar house, and my heartfelt thanks to the mentors who are behind the screen, who bring up this program in such a manner that we are enjoyed a lot. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to my audience that you have understood the culture of a residential school. While clapping, uttering is not good. You see, residential school has some aim, some ambition. This is a great institution. Hardly you will get such residential setup in nearby or in your state also. We all are committed to maintain the brightness of this school. I hope in coming week, the houses like Arjbhat and Bose, Kotil and Rajendra, they are going to take up their house day activities. Plan up from now onwards. What are the new events we are going to introduce in our program? Completely compiled. 8 items were there, and these are really the seats for a school program. Nothing. Nobody can raise fingers on any of the event. So this is the beginning of academic session 2024-25. Wonderful program presented by these guys. Heartiest congratulations to them. And Madam Rajesh Chandra Misra, she was announcing something. She was overwhelmed with the program. Something gift from her side. I accept it on behalf of Vidya Vihar family. And I believe in future also we are going to put up our best. I request now Engineer Rajesh Chandra Misra to express his feelings, because ultimately he is the custodian of this family. Mr. Engineer Rajesh Chandra Misra.
It's a very happy moment seeing such bright young children expressing themselves in various ways on stage. Some of them having joined this institution in last 20-25 days. This is very nice. And the mentors deserve equal our appreciation for working upon such a fresh group and making them stage worthy. So thank you all the mentors and guides. Thank you, sir. The quality of the program has certainly been very nice since we have this new auditorium now. And as our Honorable Principal has said, in the coming weeks, we will have house days of other houses. And we look forward to seeing equally great programs, better programs in the coming weeks. But please maintain the quality of the programs. Only such programs which should be done in a school environment, in an educational setting, should come up to the stage. Others programs should be screened off. And my best wishes to everybody. Keep on participating in these co-curricular activities, other activities. We had, as we were told, we had Hindi essay writing competition in the afternoon. So such activities make you a complete person. Not only classroom, do well in classroom, do well in field, do well on stage, do well in every co-curricular activity, and we will have very good citizens coming out of this institution. All the best. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Anmol Bhaiya with his team.
Abhishek sir, please play the song.
Chakarakachi, gando, wando, lakarakatam, akko, takko, idigidigidigo, idipai, vidipai, chiki chakacho, gili gili mal, sulu sulu mal, makanaka, hukubukure, tukubukure, chakalaka, bikko, chikko, sili 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 go, bagradum, chiki chakacho. देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले, मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
अनमोल भैया।
मैडम, गार्गी हाउस, मैत्री हाउस, Bharti also, and class 9 at the back. Go and have your non-veg day also, non-veg meals. Other than Renu and Dinkar housemates, only English. Otherwise your gift will be taken from you. This gift has been given. Madam is there, Pallavi madam. Take her blessing. Hey Renu house. Madam is here. Move. So, class 5, Renu house. Indrani madam, arrange your house first line. Class 5, Renu house. This is reward of good work. Keshav Mishra. If you do good work, you will